You are watching Momo Kids Land, the world of fun and learning.
A for apple, red and red, look, hanging high, it can be found. Sweet and tasty, take a bite. Apple makes you feel so right. B for ball, we love to play. Bounce it, roll it every day. Kick it high or let it fall. Fun begins with our bright ball. C for cat, who says meow. Soft and furry, see her now. Chasing yarn and jumping tall, we clap and cheer for her and all. D for dog, so kind and true. Wags his tail and plays with you. Runs around and loves to call. We all shout, hooray for all. E for elephant, big and gray. Swings his trunk in a happy way. Stunts around both large and tall. Elephant is loved by all. F for fish, who swims so fast. In the water she zooms right past. Glittering scales, she's small, not tall. We wave to fish, hello to all. G for goat, with beard so neat. Or eating grass, oh, what a treat. Climbs the hill and doesn't fall. Strong and brave, that's our pal. H for hat, put on your head, Benny. Green or yellow, blue or red. Keeps you warm, both big and small. Hats look nice on one and all. I for ice cream, cold and sweet. Chocolate, vanilla, what a treat.